Judy has a thriving business. She started the business on a shoestring. She has babied it, nurtured it, and now is rewarded with clients who love her. But Judy is not happy. Her evenings and weekends now consist of scheduling appointments, making travel arrangements, and going through all her emails. She thinks there has to be an easier way. She loves her clients, but hates the long hours. She didn't sign up to do all these administrative tasks. Women entrepreneurs juggle so many priorities. Professional and personal lines begin to blur and chaos reigns. In swoops Olinda Services, your world-class executive assistant, to the rescue. Lisa Olinda takes your business overwhelm and provides relief. Lisa weaves productivity and organization into the chaos, cuts through the overwhelm, and helps clients find balance. Let her help you transform your business into productive, organized, gorgeous chaos. www.olindaservices.com